Four MSI Crosshair 16 A13V and A13VGK gaming laptop owners looking to boost performance. The ATEC 32GB DDR5 RAM module might be the upgrade you need. This SODIMM module is designed to breathe new life into your system, potentially reducing frustrating bottlenecks and increasing your laptop's ability to handle demanding workloads. This particular module boasts a speed of 5,600 MHz, classified as PC 5-44800. However, it's important to note that some Crosshair 16 models might operate at slightly lower speeds like 5,200 MHz or 4,800 MHz, depending on the CPU's limitations. So, while the RAM is capable of 5,600 MHz, your actual speeds may vary. The ATEC module is a 2RX8 or dual-rank module and adheres to the JEDEC DDR5 standard, operating at a safe 1.1V. Installation is designed to be straightforward, allowing users to perform the upgrade themselves at home. Of course, consulting your system's manual for proper seating and channel guidelines is always recommended. ATEC emphasizes quality control, putting these memory modules through rigorous testing to ensure reliability. This is further supported by ATEC's limited lifetime warranty, offering peace of mind. Plus, their tech support team is available to assist with any questions or concerns, both before and after purchase. If you're looking for a reliable and easy way to upgrade your MSI Crosshair 16, the ATEC 32GB DDR5 RAM is worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.